Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, we will learn how to draw circles using a compass. First, learn how we use this compass. Always sharpen your pencil. Now open this screw of your compass and put your pencil in this. Your pencil should be like this. It should not be higher or below than this needle. It should be equal to it. You can check it with your finger and then close it very tightly. Okay? Now always hold your compass from here. Okay? Not from here or here. Always hold it from here. Now if you have to draw a circle of 4 centimeter, you will open your compass 4 centimeter. You will place your needle at 0 and open it till 4 like this. It should not be less or more than 4. Start from 0 and end at 4. So this is of radius 4 centimeter. Now place a dot and put needle here. Put more stress on needle and lightly draw your circle. So this is your required circle. Now draw a line from center till circumference of circle. This is of 4 centimeter. Write it 4 centimeter. And if I ask you to find the diameter of this radius, as you know, radius is 4 centimeter. So diameter is always double of radius. So we will multiply the radius with 2 and it comes 8 centimeter. So it's your question 7 to convert radius into diameter, as radius is the half line and diameter is the full line. Do lots of practice of drawing circles of different radius. Take care. Allah Hafiz.